Once you have created your templates, you also have the ability to share those templates with other people. For example, let's say I've created this lowering interest rate template and I want to share it with my colleagues. In the Riva portal, I can click on the three-dotted icon and click on share. Then I can add user and type in the names or emails of anyone I want to share this with. So maybe I want to share with Alex, and I also want to share with Ligu. There's two kinds of permissions. The first permission is a viewer who can access the contents of the template but cannot make edits. And the next type of permission is an editor who can not only access the contents of a template but also modify it. Once I've added the list of people I want to share it with, I can simply click on share. Any email templates that others have shared with me will show up in the shared with me tab in the Riva portal, and also in Outlook, it will show up under the share with me tab.